Welcome back, everybody. I hope everybody's doing good. I just want to kick it with you guys for a second and talk about some things that, again, I use in my daily setup. I use to be where I'm at right now. I can feel comfortable to share my journey with you guys, so let's get it popping. Now, I want to talk about the Asian session range today. Now, this indicator was introduced to me by a friend of mine named Big John. Big John is super dope. He's doing his thing over there. He introduced me to this indicator right here. Super dope indicator. I want to break it down to y'all to show you how it works. So this is the backbone of it right here. The color setup. The Asian ranges in the white. London ranges in green, and New York is in yellow. I only trade London and New York, and sometimes I only just trade New York. Depends on what pair I'm. If it's GBP, I only trade London. If it's USD, I trade New York. So I kind of like move around and see what I like. It depends on the day, depends on what's moving. But this indicator right here is amazing. So you can know you're in the Asian range, so you don't really put no trade in. But and you know the time you're in anyway, so you don't really wanna trade. And but what I like about this is, although I still use the ADR over here, this right here breaks down how much each session is had moved. So like when I come back in here now, I can know, okay, in the Asian range, this trade, this pair only moves it only moves 27 pips. So I know, okay, cool. If it's gonna move 102, 110, then I know I got some pip stuff to move. You understand what I mean? So the Asian range is a super dope. When I tell you this thing helped me so much in my daily setup, it helped me. Another one I want to talk about is the ADR. Now the ADR, this indicator, I learned about it from this guy right here called Austin Silver. He has a group, he has a course, the whole setup. You can check him out. I'm gonna show him some love on his site right now. He has everything over here. You have store testimony. I'm not in his group, but I like how he trade. So I took that indicator and throw it on my sauce because it's super dope. And he talk about it. You can go to his YouTube page. You can go over here to YouTube and and he's right here. You can find all his videos. But this indicator right here is amazing. This indicator helps me to see where am I at in the market, and it helps me to know how did the pair move overall, how does it move, what's left in potential trade, so I can know if I want to take a trade or not. Candles go over the ADR, I would never put a trade in because it's oversold and then it's not going to move that much anymore in that daily range. So I do not put no kind of trade in at that point. So this indicator right here is super amazing. And I only trade certain currency. So it's like, I tend to just stick to what I like. Another thing I want to touch on with this, you can see, I keep it simple. So if you want to check this out, all you got to do is go here, ADR, tool, and you can find it right here. And just add it to it. And the agent range, same thing. Go to indicators. Mine is right down right here. FX agent range by Rob Mint. Thing is amazing. The setup, nothing really changing here. You can add that too, and that's really good right there. Now, another thing I want to talk about is TDI. TDI is a very important indicator, my friend. This right here. Let's get it. Let's just go inside of it real quick. Now the TDI, if you're new to trading or you're just trying to learn or you're just testing the waters using demo, test out the TDI. TDI indicator helps. Now they got a couple different methods you know how to enter trades, so let's break it down. Now, entering a trade, if it cross outside and going back out, this shark thing right here, it's called shark out the water. You enter when it's going back up. Quick scalp. Do your 20 pips and you're gone. Same thing for about a sell. enter when it comes down, when it cross, quick 20 pips down, and you go. It's That's all for scalping. That's if you're doing day-to-day scalping. Now, another way to enter is if when it cross this line right here, the middle line right here. This line is when you cross this middle line, you can either wait if it comes back up and hit it again, or you just get in on the cross and hold it. Because we know this, so even right here, look, this is a better one. It gets in, it came back, then it went all the way up. So if you had get in right here, right here on the cross, on this orange line and ride it all the way up, you'd be set. You just hold it and trail your stop. The TDI indicator is amazing. You can just go to indicators, type in TDI. I'm using this one right here right now, but you can test out all of them, see what you like, and test out anyone you want to try out. But the TDI is really dope. Add it to your trading setup and just test it out. If you look at it all over the place right now, you see how it moves. Right now I'm on the Euro USD, and you can see, it comes down, you jump in a trade right there, 20 pips. It cross, come down, jump in. Right now, as you can see the M right here, bam, bomb, bomb, and drop down. Once it crosses that line, you jump into a trade. But you gotta check out the candles. Now, there's no trade right here, so I wouldn't even say take a trade. I'll say take the trade right here. Like, look, I'm gonna show you now. The TDI, when you add the Asian session, because this has to be Asian session. See, there's no there's no volatility in the market right here, so I wouldn't even say take a trade. You see the market start going up with the TDI cross right here. That's where your trade is in the London session. So you just gotta know like what you want to do, and if it don't fit your trading plan, don't take it. The TDI, add it to your trading plan, and let's get this money. Let's use it. Another thing I use through my day, I want to share with you guys. I don't want to keep y'all too long. Um, Remove this. I don't want to keep too much stuff on my. I don't like seeing all this. I'm weird. I don't like seeing too much stuff here. So let's get rid of this for right now and go here. And I pull this in. So this right here, for when I'm doing my chart, when I'm doing my support and resistance, I use this daily. Not really so, but I try to use it to help me out if I'm running through all the pairs over here, and I want to draw my chart up. Now this right here, if you're new and you don't know all the candles, this right here will help you amazingly to get through your day. This right here, all patterns, it helps you to find the candle that you trade. So if you trade doji, if you trade hammer, hangman, if you trade, inverted hammered, um, anything, engulfing candle, you can find it. I'm gonna turn them on so you can see, because I'm gonna help find them with you right now, real quick. So I turn all them on. Let's say we turn all them on, right? It's gonna look crazy on the page, but you'll learn that it will pick up everything that you trade. Let's go to a higher time frame so you can pick it up. You see, it brings all of them. The doji, the everyone, the hangman. You go down, you see it. You go to something else. It's bomb. It will show you quickly where all the things at, so you can learn it. So now you go inside the pair and you start looking how it looks. So you go to a lower time frame and you start looking how the candle look. That's how you train yourself to be better. You're not gonna be better if you're not studying. You gotta study. You gotta get into it and study, because you don't wanna lose your money. Put the time in, and it will be amazing to see how, if you put the time in, how well you can be. You don't gotta join all these groups and join. looking at the guy driving the Benz and the cars, and you're like, oh my God, I turned $10,000. I had $10,000, and now I have $1 million. It's not trading is not making $1 million and then losing $2 million the next day. It's about making money every day, slowly compounding your account. And that's another thing I want to talk about. Learning how to compound your account. I have a let me see if I can find it. I have a compounded sheet. This is my 20 pip compounded sheet. This sheet right here helps me to get through my day. It helps me to know where I'm at. And since I'm on the see, it helps me to compound my account. It tells me what exactly I should be looking for. So, if you want to know how to break your time down right here, you pull this up. If anybody who wants this, I can send it to them. Right here, you can find this theory. This tell you, oh, you start with $200 and you trade every day, 20 pips. You can be here in 125 days. So it's all about compounding your account and starting and taking it slow. The race is not for the persons running fast. It's for the man who's going to take the time to learn and put the work in. So it's all about taking the time, man, and just figuring it out. Because you're not going to win every day. But if you take the time to learn the process, you will win more than you lose. You know what I mean? Another thing, when you put it in your trades, use a site like my FX book while taking your compounded trades and you're running your account. This website right here helps you to calculate your position. Every trade you put in, I will say use this website. Help you to your day-to-day trade. It's very important. Don't take a trade without knowing how much you're going to risk, what pip lot size you're going to use. I hate when people be asking me, so, oh, what lot size I'm supposed to use if I got a $500 account. All you got to do is come in here, put $500 in, how much you're trying to risk, how much you're trying to lose, 20 pips. And it will tell you, you would use a 0.025 because you're not trying to blow up your account in one day. You're trying to slowly compound it. So this right here is very important. I only trade these right here, US 30, NASDAQ 100, and gold with a bigger account. These small ones, I scalp and I go through the day. If I see something, if I can grab 20 pips and then be gone, I'm done. 3 trades a day. After I'm done those 3 trades, I'm done for the day. It's all about sticking to what your plan is, and don't go across it, because when you start going against your plan, you will lose more. Stick to your plan. Stick to your trading plan, and it will happen. I just want to come and share my thought with you guys and share some stuff that I use. I have so much more I'm going to share with you guys, but you know take it one day at a time. Enjoy your day. Peace.